I'll show y'all a quick video. A lot of people don't know about this, but this is a hot stapler. Kind of see, there's all kinds of different tips for going in corners. The main one that I use is just like a waffle. If I can get it out, kind of get stuck together. But anyways, it's just like a little waffle. I think that's what they call it. But it goes in your hot staple gun, I guess. And this is the back side of my F350 dash bezel. It's really beyond repair. But I don't want to buy a new one because, well, I'm cheap. So I've done several of these. I don't know how well you can see it, but you can kind of see the staples that's inside there. Let's see, come on, focus for me. Anyways, well, I'll kind of show you how this works. Basically, you will turn it on, push that in, and this is burning plastic, so obviously you want to be careful with that. But you'll push this into the plastic about half the thickness of the plastic. So obviously if it's really thin plastic, you won't be able to do it. But once it's in there, you want to start twisting, and that kind of locks it in. Okay, you let off for just a couple seconds. Pull this bad boy out. Let it cool off for just a little bit. I have this N3 Scotch weld. This is the thicker one, and I have a really thin set one. Oh, it's under here. So that's the PR15, and this is PR40. The PR40 is really thin, and so once I had the staple in there, I put the PR40 in, and it kind of gets inside the crack. Just a little extra, I guess a little extra stick. So you'll see these sticking out, and you just pull those down and they pop off. Sometimes they're kind of hard to do, sometimes they're not, but there you go. And then that way you'll still have a crack. Like obviously you can see the crack here, but at least it works. Instead of having to buy a whole new dash for it or whatever. So I think it's called a gauge bezel or something. Anyways, I hope y'all like that. Y'all subscribe, y'all follow, whatever. Look forward to seeing some comments on there. Thanks for watching. See ya.